Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the existing doorbell and confirming your transformer supplies 1624V. This prevents damage and allows the Nest to function. Once done, open the Google Home app and sign in so the device will pair to your account. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network you intend to use. Now remove the old chime and gather the mounting bracket, screws, and a level. Those are the first actionable steps to begin installation. Once the bracket is marked and secured, route the doorbell wires carefully and attach them to the Nest terminals. This connects power and chime signaling. Tighten the screws just enough to hold wires without crushing insulation. After mounting the doorbell on the bracket, restore power and open the Google Home app to add device. Follow on-screen QR pairing and name the camera for notifications. Make sure to wait for the live video and chime test so you can confirm proper wiring before finalizing. Finish by snapping the cover on, setting motion zones and privacy areas so you only record relevant spots, and tuning notification sensitivity to avoid false alerts. Then configure chime settings and any schedules for Do Not Disturb. If the live feed or notifications fail, first reboot your router and phone. Make sure the Nest is within strong 4 GHz signal. If problems persist, recheck the transformer voltage and terminal wiring, because most issues are power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.